Hello, today I'm going to show y'all how to use the snipping tool and get it saved to your desktop. So we're going to get started. What you're going to do first is go to your Windows and you want to type in snipping and you'll see this here. You want to middle finger click that or right click and you want to pin it to the taskbar. And it shows up right here. It looks like a pair of scissors over a um, circle, and then you want to drag it to wherever you want it, and then you're going to use it, you're going to open up your game and you're going to click on it. Where is it? Right here. And it's going to open up this. Okay, then from there you're going to click this, and then you're going to go like this, and anything in this box that you can see clearly is what is being said or what you're taking a screenshot of. Okay, then you want to come up here and click on the Save tab, and you want to click Desktop, and then you want to name it 465 City 2. Okay, this is just an example on how it works. It's going to desktop and it's going to be 465 62. Okay, then you're going to save it. Okay, then you can close this and then minimize this, and then you go back and find your screenshot, which should be on your desktop somewhere. I moved some stuff so it may not be there. Here it is. It's right here. Okay, then to see it, you would click on it like that and it opens up. See, that's the screenshot I took. Okay, then to close it, then if you want to send it on Messenger, you can click on I'll send it to my alt. Then you click here and then you click desktop, and then you click that, and then you click open. That's how you send it in Messenger. Okay, so that's how you send it, and it should show up in the, there it is. Then you can click on it there and it shows there. So that's how you can take a screenshot and save it to your desktop, send it on Messenger, or you can upload it to RockU. Okay, so let's do it again just to make sure you got it. Okay, we're going to take a picture of City 3 and do the same thing. Okay, so we're going to click on the little scissors and it's going to pop up the snipping tool. You don't have to mess with anything else. Just click that and you're going to click City 3. Then you come up and click Save. You want to save to desktop, and you want to click 465 City 3. Okay, it can be, you can name it anything you want to. Okay, just so you know what it is called, and then click Save. Okay, once you do that, it's saved. Then you can close all this, and you should see City 3 on here. Yep, right there it is. There's City 2, there's City 3. Okay, now you understand how to do screenshots. It's very easy to do. No fuss, no muss. It's real easy. Okay, any questions, hit me up in game or on Facebook. Thanks. Bye.